Okay, so this is just one sec. Okay, so yes, this is this is a shop which sells vegetables and fruits, and the shopkeeper buys a watermelon at 12 rupees, one watermelon at 12 rupees, and then sells it at rupees 15. He bought one watermelon at rupees 12 and sold it at rupees 15, one watermelon. So how much profit did he make?
3 rupees.
3 rupees.
Yes, 3 rupees. Now here there is a concept of cost price and selling price. The the price, the cost at which कुछ खरीदते हैं, that is called cost price. और जिस price पे उसे बेचते हैं, that is called selling price. And profit is selling price minus cost price. So here if you see, cost price is 12. Cost price is 12 and selling price is 15. Profit is 15 minus 12, 3. If sold less than cost price, then it is loss. If it sells at rupees 12 only, that is equal to the cost price. Selling price is equal to the cost price, then there is no profit, no loss. Now let's see this. He purchases tomatoes for 15 rupees per kg from APMC, from Mandi, and then sells it as 19 rupees per kg. So he is making a profit of 4 rupees per kg. Okay, it is per kg. Depending upon how many kg he sells, he will the cost price, total cost price, and profit will be calculated. So per kg he is making a profit of 4 rupees. Is it okay? So there can be per kg or per unit something, or there can be absolute value. Now the most important thing is profit and loss is always related to cost price. Can anyone tell me why it is related to cost price, profit and loss? Either you are making profit or you are making loss, it is related to only cost price. Why is it so?
Because it depends on how much he purchases it for and sells. That is it.
Yes, but okay, fine. Yes, how much he purchases it for, right? Doesn't depend how much he sells it for.
Yeah, so if he sells it for more than cost price, then he makes a profit. Less than cost price, then it is a loss.
Yes,
But if he sells it at the same price at he purchases it, then no profit, no loss.
yes, yes. But if you see, what happens is cost price is always constant, which means the price at which he has purchased is same, is constant. That doesn't change. But selling price can change. आप मान कीजिए आप ट्रेन में जाते हैं, लोकल ट्रेन में, and there's a guy selling something. तो किसी को वो 10 रुपीज में देता है, किसी को 12 रुपीज में देता है, और किसी को वो 8 रुपीज में भी दे सकता है. So see, selling price is different. Someone is selling at 8 rupees, to someone is selling at 12 rupees. But cost price same है, उसको जो cost जिस cost पे उसने खरीदा था, that is same, and that doesn't change, and that is why profit and loss is always calculated on cost price. Sale price can change, selling price can change, cost price will never change, and this is the reason profit and loss is always related to cost price. आप देखते हो कि कोई नाका पे या सिग्नल पे लोग आते हैं बेचने को, वहां भी आप बहुत सा मोल मोलाई करोगे, बार्गेनिंग करोगे तो किसी को कम में आपको दे देगा, किसी को ज्यादा में दे देगा, और वो टोटल अपना प्रॉफिट या लॉस कैसे काउंट करता है, उसमें टोटल मान लीजिए 30 खरीदा, 30 आइटम, तो उसका कॉस्ट प्राइस 1 पड़ा, एंड देन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे when he has sold all the things, he sees how much money I have got, and that money minus cost price is what he has gained as profit. कभी कभी किसी को लॉस में भी दे देता है, सामान खत्म करने के लिए, बिकॉज ही हैज मेड प्रॉफिट इन अदर आइटम. सो कभी एक लॉस में भी दे देगा, आइटम तो खत्म हो जाएगा उसका, तो नेक्स्ट डे फिर फ्रेश वो खरीदेगा. Okay, is it clear? Profit and loss is always related to cost price. This is most important. Okay. Now these are some formulas which are, yes, important formulas, and you should remember this. Now, cost price. What is cost price? Cost price is price of purchasing goods, and selling price is cost at which the goods are sold. Profit, let's say it is denoted by capital P. When selling price is greater than cost price, then good is sold at a price, that is, good is sold at a price higher than the purchasing price, then it is profit. And profit is calculated as P is profit, P is equal to SP minus CP. SP your selling price, CP is your cost price. Selling price minus cost price is the profit, absolute profit. 70 rupees में खरीदा, 75 rupees में बेच दिया, 75 is SP, 70 is CP, 75 minus 75 rupees. Okay. Now let's say this. Let me do something. Cost price of some item is equal to, let's say, 40 rupees. Okay. And selling price of the same item is 48. Then of course he is making a profit of 8 rupees. This is how it is calculated. P profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP is 48 rupees, CP is 40. So it becomes 8 rupees. Similarly, loss when SP is less than CP. Suppose CP becomes 48. Let's say CP becomes 48 and SP becomes 40. Now CP is greater than SP. Selling price is less than cost price. Then this is a loss position. Okay. So this position is profit and this position is loss. And it is calculated as L is equal to CP minus SP. CP is greater, so cost price minus sale price, and loss here it is equal to 8 rupees. You can also say if profit is in negative, then it is loss. So if you calculate by this, P is equal to SP minus CP, and if I take this case, loss case, then SP is 40 and CP is 48, so P will be minus 8. Minus 8 means that it is a loss. Minus sign to signify it is a loss. Profit percentage, let's say small p, is given as P by CP into 100. So what is profit percentage here? If you see this particular thing, what is profit percentage? Profit percentage is P, absolute profit by CP. Absolute profit is 8 rupees and CP is 40 into 100. So 5 times and then 5 and then it becomes 20. So profit is 20%. Understood? This is how profit percentage is calculated.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now loss percentage. Loss is how much? 8. Again, loss is 8. If you see this loss position, loss is 8. So again 8, but here CP is 48. Okay. Cost price was 48 in case of loss. So 8 by 48 into 100. 8 1 times, 8 6 times. So 1 by 6 into 100. This will be equal to, it will be equal to 16.5 16.66%. 16.66%. So this is how loss is calculated. Now, when CP and profit percentages are given, how to calculate profit? This particular thing. When cost price and profit percentage are given, then profit is equal to CP into P by 100. Okay. So if I see this, let's see this profit portion, this one. If I see this, how do I calculate? Now, if I have to calculate profit, the profit percentage here we got was 20%, right? So P is equal to CP is what? CP is 40 in this case into 20 by 100, right? 20% is P by 100. P is your percentage, 20%. So P by 100, 20 by 100, 20% was the profit. Now, if you cancel this, 0, 0, and 2 zeros will go away. So it will be equal to 8, rupees 8. The same thing, you see. So you can calculate this way. Profit when cost price and profit percentage is given. To calculate sale price, when cost price and profit percentage are given, first calculate profit. Okay. So you have calculated profit like this, rupees 8. Okay. And then using the above formula, sale price is equal to cost price plus profit. Cost price was 40 rupees in this case and profit was 8. So total sale price is 48. This is how you calculate if only profit percentage and profit is given. Sorry, profit percentage and CP is given. You have to go for 2 steps to calculate sale price. In the similar way, when CP and percentage loss are given, you calculate in the same fashion. Like you have calculated for profit. Formula is same. Only P value becomes L value. That's all. And selling price is equal to CP minus loss because selling price is less than cost price. So SP will be CP minus L. Is it clear, this formula? After this, we'll start solving problems.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's go ahead. Okay, no, 1 or 2 more slides are there. This is mark price. Now, whenever you go to shop, you must have seen there is MRP. That is the maximum retail price or mark price. And the sellers after purchasing an item usually tag it with a price which is higher than the material price at which they purchased it. Naturally, that is what happens. This higher price, marked up price, is called mark price, or you can say MRP. Okay. The amount by which the seller has marked up the cost price is also expressed as percentage of cost price, and is called markup percentage. So markup percentage by how much percent it has increased, the shopkeeper has increased the price, is calculated by marked price, which is MRP, minus cost price divided by cost price into 100 in percentage. And rearranging the formula, you will get, if you have to calculate marked price MRP, and you say मैंने 100 रुपए में खरीदा and I want 25, mark it up by 25%. So you will calculate with this. CP is 100 rupees and 25% you are marking up, so 25 by 100. So basically CP into 125 by 100 you will get this. 1 plus 25 is 100 plus 25, it will become 100 plus 25, so it will be CP into 125 by 100 if you want 25%. So similarly, you can calculate maximum retail price. And now there is a concept of discount in which cost price doesn't come into picture. When seller agrees to sell it to the customer at a price agreed by both which is lesser than the max price, then this amount by which the seller reduces the mark price is called discount. Discount is equal to MRP minus selling price. MRP कुछ भी हो सकता है, सेलिंग प्राइस उससे कम होता है. आप बहुत बार देखेंगे MRP कुछ रहेगा, आपको सेल कुछ पे कर रहा है. Now MRP minus the real selling price जिसमें आपने खरीदा is called the discount, and discount is expressed as percentage of mark price. कहते हैं ना 10% डिस्काउंट दे रहे हैं, 20% डिस्काउंट दे रहे हैं. This is how it is. This discount in percentage is equal to MRP minus selling price divided by MRP. Here now cost price is not there. MRP minus selling price divided by MRP into 100. If you rearrange the formula, you can get what is the final selling price is this. So MRP into 1 minus D by 100. So if somebody says that देखो MRP है और उसको मैं 25% डिस्काउंट पे दे रहा, तो actual selling price calculate करने के लिए you'll have to use this formula. जो भी MRP value है, suppose it is 100 rupees and discount 25% दे रहा है, so it will be 100 into 1 minus 25 by 100. That will become the selling price. Okay? आगे बढ़ो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's do this exercise. A shopkeeper professes to sell his goods at CP, but uses 800 gram weight for 1 kg. What is his gain %? A shopkeeper professes to sell his goods at cost price. वो बोलता है कि मैं तो जिस दाम पे खरीदा उसी दाम पे बेच रहा हूँ. तो फिर उसने जो वे करने के लिए रखा हुआ है, जो रहता है वे वाला आपको वेट जो रहता है, उसको आप देखोगे नीचे से घेर देता है तो, और ऊपर से आपको दिखेगा ये 1 kg है, लिखा रहेगा, स्टैम्प रहेगा, बट एक्चुअली वो कम रहता है उससे. ओके, एंड दैट इज व्हाई दे गेन मोर एंड दिस. एनीथिंग जो भी आप खरीदने जाओ, बहुत बार ऐसा जो तराजू से तौलता है तो ऐसा करता है. So if it is not an electronic weighing machine, so a shopkeeper proceeds to sell his goods at cost price but uses 800 gram weight for 1 kg. तो एक्चुअली जब वो 1 kg आपको दे रहा है, जब आपको दिखा रहा है कि वो 1 kg दे रहा है, एक्चुअली वो 800 kg ही दे रहा है. तो गेन कर रहा है ना 200 kg, 200 ग्राम, सॉरी ग्राम. दिस इज हिज गेन. गेन कितना होगा? 200 ग्राम होगा या नहीं? 800 ग्राम वो आपको दे रहा है और दिखा रहा है कि आपको मैं 1 kg दे रहा हूँ, 1000 ग्राम, 1 kg 1000 ग्राम. आपको दिखा रहा 1000 ग्राम, उसका आपसे पैसा लेगा 1000 ग्राम का, बट एक्चुअली वो 800 ग्राम दे रहा है, 200 ग्राम दे रहा है. दिस 200 ग्राम जो है उसका इक्विवेलेंट जो प्राइस है वो उसका गेन है. व्हाट विल बी द परसेंटेज नाउ? What is the percentage he is gaining? Absolute value में what is his gaining? If I say it is profit, so profit is how much? Profit is 200 gram, let's say, okay? 200 grams. And what is his profit percentage, which is your smaller p? How much will it be? We have seen the formula. It is P by CP into 100. ये कितना आएगा? 25%. Very good. 25%. Gain percentage is this one. Okay. Profit is 200 absolute, and his cost price, वो कितना cost price उसको लगा? वो 800 grams का लगा cost price ना, because वो 800 grams actually दे रहा है. So it is 200 by 800 into 100% convert करने के लिए, which is 25%. Okay. If the selling price is doubled, the profit triples. Find the profit percentage. See, if what is profit? Profit P is equal to S minus C. Suppose S is your selling price and C is your cost price. The profit is equal to S minus C. We know this, absolute profit. Now, if selling price is double, the profit triple. अब इसमें अगर selling price double कर दिया इस portion में, so what does it become? Selling price मैं double कर रहा हूँ तो 2s. जब मैं selling price double करूंगा तो profit कितना हो जाएगा? 2s minus c होगा ना? Which will be equal to
3p.
yes 3p capital P, which is can be written as 3 into s minus c. Capital P is equal to s minus c. This is the equation. Is this equation clear? If I
Yes, sir.
okay, if I increase the selling price by 2 times, then the profit is this, right? And which becomes 3 times of the actual profit. Actual profit is calculated as P is equal to S minus C. So 3 times this. Now, if you solve this, it will be 3C minus C is equal to 3S minus 2S. In solving, you will find that 2C is equal to S. So,
100%.
selling price is 2 times of cost price. This is the equation you are
Sir,
getting.
100%.
Very good, 100%, very good. Answer is 100%. So, 2C is equal to S. This is we are getting the relationship between sale price and cost price. Now, if this is that, then if I have to now find the actual profit, we use this formula, this one. Because it is saying what is the profit percentage. Okay. The profit is what? S minus C. And profit percentage अगर मेरे को निकालना है तो कैसे करूंगा मैं? Profit percentage निकालने के लिए इसे P is equal to what? Capital P by CP into 100. ये फॉर्मूला है. Okay. Now P is what? P is equal to S minus C. So I can write this as S minus C by C into 100. कहीं भी कुछ अगर मिस हो रहा होगा तो आप बताइएगा. Okay. Now substitute value of S from here. Then it will become 2C minus C by C into 100, which will be equal to C by C into 100, and C by C is 1, so we will get 100%. So it will happen something like this. यहाँ पे जगह नहीं है. I'm just writing it at this side. यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ. So it will be 2C. I'm substituting the value of S minus C by C into 100. Two C minus C is only C, and this C and C will cancel out, so it will be 1 and it will become 100%. The profit percentage is 100%. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? Okay, fine. Great. So let's go to the next one. A little confusing problems are there in profit and loss. Okay. The cost price of 20 articles is the same as the selling price of X article. If the profit is 25%, then the value of X is how much? Okay. Suppose you purchase 20 pens for 20 rupees. Suppose 20 articles. Article is pen. So suppose you purchase 20 pens for 20 rupees. And then out of 20, you take out some amount and sell it for same 20 rupees. What we are saying is आपने 20 खरीदा 20 रुपए में, और 20 में से आपने 15 फिर 20 रुपए में बेच दिया, 5 तो आपके पास बच गया, और 15 आपने 20 रुपए में बेच दिया, तो आपको कुछ प्रॉफिट तो हुआ, बिकॉज आपने कम नहीं बेचा, आपको तो पांच जो फोन आपके पेन आपके पास है उसका तो प्राइस बच गया आपके पास, एंड दैट इज द गेन एंड दैट इज द प्रॉफिट. दिस इज सेइंग द सेम थिंग. The cost price of 20 articles is same as the selling price of X article. If the profit is 25%, what is the value of X? कितना आपने बेचा? खरीदा तो 20 रुपए में, मगर 20 रुपए में कितना बेचा? So that you got 25% profit. It is trying to ask you that number, which will be of course less than 20. Okay, so SMS somewhere in these type of problems if you get, then it is easier to assume the price of a single article as ₹1. Okay, let each article is equal to cost ₹1. Okay,
Sir, answer is 16.
wonderful, very good, बहुत अच्छे. Yes, answer is 16. Yes. So let's do it like this. Let each article is equal to ₹1. Then cost of 20 articles is how much? 20 rupees. Okay. So CP of 20 articles is equal to ₹20. And this also becomes a selling price. Okay, ₹20 also becomes a selling price. Okay. Now what he says is he's selling X article. So CP of X article is how much? CP of each article is ₹1. Okay. So X article is ₹X. Okay. We know CP plus profit is equal to SP. Now here profit is given in percentage, so I can write like this: CP plus P by 100 is equal to SP. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry, P is equal to P into CP. My mistake, into CP. This will be CP also, multiplied by CP. Okay. So if you further solve it, it will be C into 1 plus P by 100, CP into 1 plus P by 100 is equal to SP. Now this is what we have to use here. CP of X article will be X rupees because each article is ₹1. So X article will be this much into 1 plus 25 by 100. There is profit of 25%. So 25 by 100 is equal to selling price is ₹20. SP is 20. I can write X into 125 by 100 will be 1.25. This will become 100 plus 25 by 100, which will be 1 by 1.25. X into 1.25 is equal to 20. X is the number of items he has sold for 20 rupees is equal to 20 by 1.25, which is equal to 60. So it says that he has sold for 20 rupees, he purchased 20 articles, but for the same 20 rupees, he sold only 16 articles. 4 articles वो अपने पास रख लिया. Then he gains 25%. This is what it says. So X is equal to 16. He sells 16 items. Is it clear? ये clear हुआ? Okay, तो फिर ये कर सकते हैं आप लोग. It is similar to that. This is similar to that. A vendor bought toffees at 6 for a rupee. How many for a rupee must he sell to gain 20%? A vendor buys toffees at 6 for a rupee. 1 रुपये में उसने 6 टॉफियां खरीदी. अब वो 1 ही रुपये में कितने टॉफीज बेचे जिससे उसको 20% गेन हो जाए. एक ही रुपये में. A vendor bought toffees at 6 for a rupee. How many for a rupee must he sell to gain 20%? 6 टॉफी खरीदा 1 रुपये में. उसी 1 रुपये में अब वो कितनी टॉफी बेचे जिससे उसको 20% प्रॉफिट हो जाए. आप बताओ 6 टॉफी खरीदा 1 रुपये में. इस 6 टॉफी को कितने रुपये में बेचे तो दैट उसको 20% प्रॉफिट हो. और 6 को कितना होगा? कितना में बेचे? 1 रुपये में उसने 6 खरीदा. इसी 6 को विथ फॉर 20% प्रॉफिट, हाउ मच शुड ही सेल ऑल दिस 6 फॉर? ₹1 से ज्यादा पे करेगा, बट कितना पे? इट विल बी ₹1.20.
Sir, 5.
हाँ, वेरी गुड. 5. वेरी गुड 5. तो आप देखो इसमें क्या बोल रहा है कि अगर 6 टॉफी खरीदे 1 रुपये में एंड आई वांट टू सेल दिस 6 with 20% profit, then I will sell it for ₹1.20. So if I sell for 20 paisa each toffee, I get 20% profit. So for 1 rupee, I will sell 20 paisa. अगर हम बेचने सबको तो 5 ही आएंगे. So 1 rupees में I will sell only 5 toffees to gain 20% profit. Okay. Let's do this one. A shopkeeper expects a gain of 22.5% on his cost price. If in a week his sale was ₹392, what was his profit? आप try कर सकते हैं ये वाला एक बार. Just try this. A shopkeeper expects a gain of 22.5%. This is your profit on his cost price. If in a week his sale was, if this is selling price, then what is his profit? Here, sale price is equal to 392. Okay. We have seen earlier also, if I want to see CP plus profit is equal to profit percentage. Sorry, profit percentage is equal to SP. Profit percentage is what? Profit percentage is, how do we calculate? Do you remember? P by 100 into CP is equal to 392.
72 rupees.
अरे वाह, एकदम सही आंसर है, 72 रुपीज. वेरी गुड. P का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है, तो यू कैन राइट CP into 1 plus P is 22.5. It is given here. 22.5 by 100. Is equal to 392. So further CP into, if you solve this, 100 plus 22.5 by 100 is equal to 392. So CP is equal to 392 into 100 by 122.5. ये कितना आएगा?
320.
Very good, 320. Okay, so this is your CP. Now you know SP is this and CP is this. So 392 minus 320 is the profit. SP minus CP. Profit is 72 rupees. Okay? Let's do this. On selling 17 balls at rupees 720, there is a loss equal to the cost price of 5 balls. The cost price of 1 ball is how much? You have to find the price of 1 ball. On selling 17 balls at rupees 720, sorry, there is a loss equal to the cost price of 5 balls. Now, just start with the formula. What will be the formula? CP, we can write SP minus, no, SP plus L, or better way will be writing CP cost price minus L is equal to S. Okay. Now this can be written as CP cost price of 17 balls minus loss is how much? Loss is equal to cost price of 5 balls. So I can write CP of 5 balls is equal to 720, SP दिया हुआ 720, which means CP of 12 balls, 17 balls minus 5 balls. CP of 12 balls is 720. So what is CP of 1 ball? Cost price of 1 ball? 12 balls का cost 720 rupees है, तो 1 ball का cost होगा 720 divided by 12.
Sixty.
60.
Yes, it will be rupees 60. So you get this answer. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ूं?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A trader mixes 26 kg of rice at rupees 20 per kg with 30 kg of rice of other variety at rupees 36 per kg and sells the mixture at rupees 30 per kg. What is his profit percentage? Can you do this? Just try for 2 minutes, then I'll. Trader mixes 26 kg of rice at rupees 20 per kg with 30 kg of rice. The total cost price इसका कितना होगा? Let's find out. Total CP will be equal to
56.
कितना? Sorry.
56.
Yeah, CP will be 26 kg of rice into 20 rupees per kg. So this is the total he has paid for one type of rice plus 30 kg another rice, so 30 kg, and the price for this 30 kg was 36. So this is the total cost price. This is the price he has paid to purchase both the rices. So ये कितना हो गया? 26 into 20 is 260, 520.
1600.
1600? Okay. So cost price is for that trader is 1600. Now let's see what will be the selling price. He is selling the mixture at 30 rupees per kg. Total mixture कितना है? 26 kg plus 30. इतना है ना टोटल खरीदा था, और इन दोनों को मिला दिया तो ये 56 kg हो गया. 20 plus 30 is 56. And इस 56 kg को he has sold at 30 rupees per kg. And then finally his selling price is 30, 1500 and 13 rupees 180, 1500, 1680. This is the selling price. So he purchased at 1600 rupees. Sorry?
5%.
कितना परसेंटेज बोला? हाँ, very good. 5% आएगा आंसर. 1680 is your selling price minus 1600 is your cost price, and this is equal to 80 rupees. So 80 rupees is his profit. Now if I have to find out 80 rupees is what percentage profit, then P is equal to capital P by CP into 100. So this is equal to 80 by cost price is 1600 into 100. So this will be 5%. Answer is 5%. The profit is 5%. He is getting 5% profit. Okay. So answer is 5% here. Okay, this is the last one. We have done very typical things in profit and loss. If you can master these type of problems, you'll never have any issue with profit and loss. They're very selected problems. When a plot is sold for rupees 18,700, the owner loses 15%. At plot price, must the plot be sold in order to gain 15%. Means a person has a plot and he sells the plot at 18,700 rupees, and then he has lost 15% if compared to the cost price. So actually, at what price should he sell so that he can gain 15%? तो इसमें सबसे पहले हमें कॉस्ट प्राइस निकालना होगा एंड देन उसका 15% ऐड करके हमें फाइनल सेल प्राइस निकालना होगा. So 2 steps are there. Can I try this? 2 minutes. That's right, what you said. Cost price is 22,000. So selling price should be 15% more than that. Then he will gain 15%.
25,300.
Very good. 25,300. Okay. See, if this problem we take, since he's selling at 15% loss, so 85% of the cost price is the plot of is rupees 18,700. ये मैं थोड़ा शॉर्टकट तरीके से मैंने बनाया है. आप बड़े इससे भी फॉर्मूला से बनाएंगे, जिस स्टेप बाय स्टेप जाएंगे तो यही चीज मिलेगा. So basically 85% of cost price of the plot is 18,700. ये थोड़ा मेंटल भी आप मेंटल मैथ यूज करेंगे तो ये थोड़ा आसान हो जाएगा प्रैक्टिस में. Which means cost price of plot is equal to 18,700 divided by 85%. 85% is nothing but 85 by 100. If you do this, you'll get cost price as 22,000. So this is the cost price of the land. Now I have to sell it in order to gain 15%. It will be cost price into 115%. Now this is also a shortcut formula. मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा गायब कर दिया है. 100% of cost price is 22,000. 15% गेन करना है तो उसे 115% से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. ये फास्टर हो जाएगा इस तरह से करेंगे. So 22,000 into 115% is 115 by 100. 115%. So 115 by 100. You multiply this, you'll get this answer. This is the answer. 25,300. So if the person sells the land at 25,300 rupees, then he will gain 15%. He will have a profit of 15%. Okay, thank you very much. This is what we come to end of this. But आप लोग प्रॉब्लम बनाते हैं ना,